Hello, friends. I am John Beckmann, Professor John Beckmann, Dr. John Beckmann, the father of Sid, the transgenic mother of sin, your hostess with the mostest. Get a green screen in the back. Tea, Earl Grey, make it so. Okay, so today I just want to do a really quick video on solving the problem of if you accidentally draw on the wrong layer. So this is a common problem. We all make this mistake. What will happen is, so if you here look at my Photoshop, I have 3 layers. I'll just write layer 1. Here's the second layer, layer 2, third layer, layer 3. And we all make the mistake of we will be doing some process and we will be painting on some layer or making marks on some layer, and we will realize, crap, we did it on the wrong layer. So these marks were made on layer 2. And sometimes that can sort of like contaminate your organization. And there is an easy way to fix this under certain circumstances. So I'm going to show you an easy fix under certain circumstances. Okay. Here's how I typically fix this. There's 2 fixes. The first fix is to duplicate the layer. So if I just go layer, duplicate the layer, now I have a copy of it. And then you can just take your eraser and you can erase the other pieces that should not be part of that layer. Okay. So now if you look, I have a layer which is just these marks. Okay. So that's one way to fix the problem, is literally just duplicate the layer and erase everything that's not part of where you want it to be. Okay. That's the easiest fix, but it only works if your elements that you've been drawing or painting are discretely separatable. That's the only case where this fix will work. The second fix will fix certain conditions. So if you have, some marks, okay, another fix is you can select a color range. Okay, so you click on the layer, you can select color range. And this works really well if you're drawing with a black marker. Okay. And then you just hit sampled colors and you hit shadows, and I can select the shadows, and then I can do edit, copy. Okay. Make a new layer, edit, paste. And now I have copied and pasted those elements selected by a color onto a different layer. So this is a good fix if you are painting and you're painting with like black, or you're painting with like a solid blue, or you're painting with like a solid red. This can sometimes fix you painting over top a layer that you did not want to paint over. It's not a fix for everything, but these are my 2 most common fixes for making marks on the wrong layer. All right. Have a great day. Have a great Friday.